What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another daily YouTube video where we cover the market, our trades, and all the content by EA. Today is Friday. You guys are watching this on Saturday, and Friday is of course a huge day every week in FIFA. But before we get into the video, make sure you join our free trading Discord. Click this button every single day and you can enter to win 3 days free Patreon, as you'll see people entering here while we who have just clicked this right now. And obviously there'll be other free trading tips too. If you don't know, I'm a Twitch streamer. I stream twice daily. These times are incorrect. I stream now from 3 p.m. to 7:30 and then 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. So we're still there at content every day and late at night too. Today, there was a few big stories that came around, and there's 3 massive SBCs we got. So you can imagine what is going on right now, and that's fodder to the moon, especially the higher tier fodder. Come on, EA, here we go. And here are your 3 SBCs for the day. And it's quite crazy to think we got these 3 SBCs on one day, which is nuts. We got Liao here, only 5 squads, 85, 86, 87, 88. 286 squads. I think that's coming in at 400k. We have Sun here, which has also got an extra higher rated squad, I believe, an extra 88 and 287s and 286s, basically 2 of each there. That one's a bit more expensive, around 750. And then Rodrigo was the bargain of the day, the most cheap one, the most affordable one, coming in at a price of, I believe, 400k. He was 350 when he came out, but I will show you on Futbin the price of all 3 of these SBCs so you can see for yourself. Sun's coming at 750, Liao at 500 now, and Rodrigo at 400. So obviously, Rodrigo has the most demand. And honestly, with the Playstyle Plus, I can see why as well. And all the positions he can play, very usable. If you have any Madrid players, which a lot of people do, this card's looking like a must-do. And this is the Playstyle Plus. You got First Touch Plus, minimal error when trapping the ball, and it's able to transition. So yeah, pretty nice there. We got a Trailblazers Challenge here, which gives you a tradable pack. Apparently you can SBC solution trade, so if you want to try that, you can. With Team Week upgrade 1 to 4, we can do twice every 20 hours now. The pack is of course untradeable. And this requires an 85 and a team of 83. So maybe people will do that every day. Not too sure they will, to be honest. And I believe that's it in terms of SBCs. If you go to objectives, we've got the little objective glitch there. It's very annoying. Number 2 won't go away now. Callum Wilson. Oh, that's where it was from. Whoops. I thought it was that glitch. So yeah, Callum Wilson is the objective today. I've almost completed him, and I'm not even trying to. I was just playing my team. I guess my team gives you all the... I was playing quali, so it looks like I'm going to have this done free. This is fodder though. 3-star, 3-star. Horrible card. Horrible. Nice reaction, nice composure. No Playstyle Plus. AKA, it's a no for me. I'll be putting him straight into an SBC. So thank you for the free fodder, EA. That's all he is to me. And in terms of the store content today, we got quite a lot of packs. We got this 10k pack, which I haven't opened yet, which gives you a loan, which is always nice. 15 of these, 10 of these, 5 50k packs, 85k pack, untradeable, 2 100k packs, tradable. So you can see there's a lot of supply put onto the market, and Premium Trailblazers pack, which again is 175k and all untradeable. Would I advise you do that? Highly advise against it. Now let's get into the entire team. It is the entire team we have right now. This is at 10 p.m. on Friday, sorry. These are the current prices, so they might be slightly different by the time you see it. Some things might be standing out to you. And yes, Ruben Diaz is only 107k. That is partly due to his pace. Well, it's everything to do with his pace. Mkhitaryan is more expensive than you think. But he's 4-star, 5-star. He gained CDM position, which is pretty nice. You've obviously got the elite card here, Mbappe. Handsome people seem to like as well. Di Lorenzo has no Playstyle Plus, which is a major L. And we have all these fodder cards here, which all these rubbish cards do not have Playstyle Pluses, which really kills them. Otherwise, it'd be great to trade with. Koundé obviously looks great. Callum Wilson, the objective. And then Griezmann as well. And Jude Bellingham, of course. So what did this do to the market today? Or simply, the market died and some of it flew. So some gold cards got a ton of supply from this 50k and 100k packs. Rodrigo went down a ton, went way too low, and has since rebounded. His card was 75k, went all the way down to 38, went up to like 47, and has since come back down to 44, 45. Let's actually take a look in game. I do have a lot of Rodrigos. I'd rather not, I don't right now, but we've got him, so we'll hold on to him. I do think you're right. I do have a lot of him as well. He is currently, 45.5 right now. He's been holding this price for the last couple hours, so yeah, he's still holding, which is a good sign. At least it's not dropping. I saw something just sold right there. Hopefully it's a Rodrigo, because I'm trying to get rid of them and invest more tonight before you see this video. But yeah, he's still selling at 46. It's basically what I paid. I don't see a reason why he doesn't rise tomorrow when all the meta stuff should rise in terms of gold cards as it did just last week. But he might give it a lower first before you see this video. Rafael Leao, you can see some of the golds got dumped, but some of them flew. And one of them that did fly was Jude Bellingham, because he is obviously out of packs. This card is very expensive, 1.1 mil. This card is up to 350 now. And yes, it's a very good link to Rodrigo, who's a very affordable SBC. So you can see he flew at content. If you keep looking through, you'll see a ton of cards that have moved around. Mendy is actually up from 90k. So you can see the Real Madrid cards are doing well. Militao's up a little bit as well. A lot of the other golds are indeed down though. And I'm sure that a lot of them will rebound though onto Saturday morning. If you see anything at its lowest point, I think you're probably fine to buy, especially usable cards like Saliba or Araujo, or especially people who play for Real Madrid, in all honesty, as that seems to move, like Valverde. Now let's address the fodder situation, because we did have a big fodder play the other day. We did buy a ton of 88s and 89s for 16k and 23k. Well, you'll see now, these are all over 20k. 88s, we did sell ours today this morning. I believe I got 18.5 on most of mine, so not too much missed out here. 89s, we did miss out on a lot. We did sell these all for like 27k, 27, 28k before content to be safe. And you'll see the graph on these cards. We did perfectly time our sell before 6 p.m, but Rodrigo being very cheap and affordable, so we sold her. And then obviously she got that low, with the SBC coming out being that cheap. And then people also realizing, oh wait, I need to do Son, or I'm just going to do Leao instead. All the fodder flew because it was all needed, and the supply did not outweigh the demand for once. The demand massively was exceeding the supply. You can see she flew, and there's also a huge lack of 89s in the game. You can see here there's only 4 here really that are actually fodder. So you can see that those cards flown, but now you can see there's a lot more 89 fodder cards like Mappy, Leon, ter Stegen, and Morgan are pretty much fodder cards now. So they'll move around with fodder up and down. And the 88s did okay. 87's not too sure. The 90s did amazingly as well. 90 rated fodder has actually flown. They have gone from 35k. They were actually easily buyable yesterday at 6 p.m. content, probably around 32k. They have flown. They went up for content 37, and bang, at content they've gone to 47k. I don't see a reason why fodder stops. A lot of the good fodder traders also feel the same way. So I mean, you can keep holding, but me personally, I like to sell and move on. So onto the Discord, go through some of the buys we did buy today at 6 p.m. Trippier, who went down a little bit. We thought he'd be a good link there for Callum Wilson. I have already got a laser sale on him though, and did manage to break even. Links to Callum Wilson, also one of the cheapest 86 informs. If you see these SBCs that we have had today, a lot of them do require informs. So basically, inform discard investing is always good. Also, any other high rated inform investing seems to be like a good option too. You can see Lukaku here is very, very cheap here at 19.5, cheaper than the cheapest 85. So it's definitely a safe investment if you want to invest in Lukaku for the long term, in my opinion. Although he's much less usable than Trippier, even though Trippier is not very usable himself. We did pick up some Di Maria's 43. They haven't done the best. Kante did great, sold out for 89. Acuna got for 87.5. We'll have to go check out some of these prices, to be honest. We're going to actually just go look at the prices really fast. We did buy some Sals under 59k, under 49k, sorry, and as usual, Sal did not disappoint us. Let's quickly look at all these teams, some of the team of the weeks as well, because some of the movements on these cards was quite nice today. Looks like Son's up. I'm pretty sure I remember seeing him around 400k earlier today, but we'll take a look at that. Which is not surprising. As the fodder gets more expensive, people will just buy this card because he is tradable. Yeah, 410, bang, a rebound 50. A nice trade there. If you made that. Kante back to 90k. Not sure why he dropped their content. I think maybe the Henderson leak is what got people scared. But Henderson didn't come out at 6. He actually went down at 6 to actually 80. Went up to 90. And it's now chilling there. And has been doing very well. Sal again. You guys know we've been tracking these two cards a lot. They go up and down, and we buy them when they go down. And sell them when they go up. Honestly, very easy fluctuations here all around. And something we will look to do in the future, because when they have centre mids coming though, we'll probably avoid them. But like, no centre mids were here, and the centre mids today were quite expensive. Jude Bellingham's up a lot. Odegaard's up a lot. Grimaldo's up a tiny bit. Kundananji continues to drop, and Kvara has no hype at all for that team of the week. This is the current team of the week. You can see all the cards are down, which is not surprising with pack supply and people packing them from Weekend League rewards. Giroud is obviously my favourite, and McTominay at min price. Free coins. Get him on bid for min price. Literally free coins. Very easy to win at 10,250. Looks like he's already 11k. This is going to be the go-to guy to throw all your coins into if you want to have an all-in investment. which is 0 risk because he's also a usable card as well as fodder price. And Giroud also should be a fantastic one for our packs. Goalkeepers always seem to do amazingly. Move on to the next squad. And we're back at the road to the finals. Most of this team hasn't really moved. Even De Paul. Odo didn't really even get wrecked by the Di Lorenzo card, which is surprising how much better he is. Nothing is really up here or moving. And the final squad was the one that just went out to packs. And there was some good movements here. Sissoko has yet to move. Modric is up a ton from 220. Di Maria looks like he's actually down, but he's been recording a lot of undercuts. Is he actually down or is it undercuts? No, he's at 44k. We keep recording undercuts there. Aouar is up 1k. João Pedro had a fantastic drop and then rise. He went all the way down to like 230 apparently. We picked him up at 245. Yeah, he was apparently down at 230. We picked 245. I still own him right now. I'm not trying to sell him. Hopefully he doesn't sell. I think he's going to go much higher tomorrow. I think he's going well over 300k. Klaus has done great. Not great, sorry. Acuna has done well so far, but I think he can do great. Klaus has had his price range update and is about to start moving upwards. You can tell that very, very soon. His price range update hit a low of 15. You can see he's up to 17. He's probably going to keep moving. Now I'm just praying my João Pedro hasn't sold. I have another sale. I hope it's not him. It's not. It's actually Klaus. Klaus is lazy selling amazingly right now. Might be time to dump all your coins into Klaus and just keep waiting. This needs to go much higher. I think he can go much higher. I also don't want to be greedy at the same time. So I'm going to go 298 instead because I'm scared. I'm a scared child. In terms of the Di Marias, he is not moving and I'm just trying to get some coins right now to reinvest tonight. As I said, it's only 10.20. If I can get a couple sales, only make 1 or 2k, I don't even mind. Just so I can reinvest. This Grimaldo, sorry, is not moving how I want either. Again, an extra 40k is a few more Klauses and it seems like Klaus is going to be the go-to guy to invest in right now. Based on the sales I'm getting. I think Klaus is probably the easiest investment to make and something will continue. Here's all my Rodrigos, honestly. I'm going to just start trying to shot them off for break even, or maybe even a tiny tax loss. I want to buy more Klauses, honestly, after what I've seen. I think that's where all the coins should be going. So we'll see if we can get any sales here. Wasted opportunity more so than wasted coins. He is actually only 45k, I believe, so we'll have to see, but yeah, a little bit of an L there. More so opportunity cost than anything else, as opposed to actually losing coins, but still painful nonetheless. As I said, guys, make sure you join our free trading Discord. Make sure you follow the Twitch stream. We stream every single day, and we teach you all how to make coins, and you can follow my moves like that live on stream. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next one tomorrow. Peace.